guys, so today we're going to read a story together. And the story we're going to read is called Baby Animals. Reading it together. Baby Animals. Good, and who knows what animal that is? Good, it's a little baby seal. So, baby animals. So I want you to try to read it first. So one of our sight words, the. Now what animal is that? It's a kitten. Ooh, another sight word. Can. Oh, and this says A. So play. So all together, ready? Here we go. The kitten can play. So, ooh, our sight word again. The. What animal is this? Fox. Can play. The fox can play. The puppy can play. So all together, ready, go. The puppy can play. Ooh, what animal is this? Ready? The cub can play. So remember, a cub is like a baby bear. So all together, ready, go. The cub can play. Good. What animal is that? A dolphin. The dolphin can play. The seal, because that's a little seal. The seal can play. You're trying to read this one all by yourself. Good, so it says we can play. So we can play. Good, so now I want you to think, how do you play with your friends? How do you play with your friends? Get in your head. Or you could be sharing it with somebody if they're watching this video with you. How do you play with your friends? Yeah, sometimes we play tag, we play hide and seek, sometimes we play catch, we could play with chalk with them. There's lots of ways we play with our friends. And how do animals play together? How do animals play together? I want you to tell somebody at home if you can, or I want you to just think in your head. How do animals play together? Good, so sometimes they could swim together. Sometimes, like if you have a dog, sometimes they want to play like tug of war with each other. There's lots of ways animals play. Now I want you to think about baby animals. And I want you to pick your favorite animal. So thinking, what is my favorite animal? Then I want you to get a piece of paper. So you can do this when the video's over. So I'm going to tell you what to do first. So listening first. And you're going to write the name of the animal. So I want you to try to spell it all by yourself. It's okay, remember, if you get a little bit wrong, but I want you to try to do it all by yourself. And then I want you to draw a picture of it will look like when it's all grown up. So when that animal is all grown up, what will it look like? And I want you to write the name all by yourself. Okay, so really trying your hardest. Okay, bye guys.